Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview JJack's Magic Stain ID Kit. What is JJack's Magic Stain ID Kit? The Stain Identification Kit is the first step in performing a successful JJack's Magic Stain removal. The Stain ID Kit is designed to take the guesswork out of removing swimming pool stains. One of the 4 simple topical tests will identify what best removes a swimming pool stain, saving both time and money. Please note, the water should be at least 65 to 70 degrees in order to ensure accurate testing results. Product benefits. Quickly and precisely determines the appropriate products to remove stains. Eliminates costly and time-consuming guesswork. Easy to use. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.